Unlock the hidden pro photographer within you with the Nikon Z30. The Z30 is incredibly capable, and today we're diving deep into how to extract professional quality images from this gem. First, let's get out of auto for stunning portraits with blurred backgrounds. Switch to aperture priority mode while that's the on your mode dial. This lets you control the aperture. A lower number, like f18, will give you that dreamy bokeh for landscapes where everything needs to be sharp. Use a higher number like f8 or f11. ISO is your camera's sensitivity to light in bright conditions. Keep your ISO low, around 100, for the cleanest images. As light fades, you'll need to increase your ISO. The Z30 handles higher ISO surprisingly well. Don't be afraid of ISO 800 or even 1600 if you need that extra speed to capture the moment. Autofocus is your friend, but manual control is power for precise focus, especially on eyes in portraits. Use the touch to focus feature on the rear screen. Alternatively, explore the different autofocus area modes to tell your camera exactly where to lock focus. This is crucial for sharp results every time. Now, let's talk composition. The rule of thirds is a fantastic starting point. Imagine your frame divided into 9 equal squares. Placing your subject off-center along these lines often creates a more visually appealing image. Also, experiment with leading lines while natural lines in your scene, like roads or fences, that guide the viewer's eye into the photograph. Don't forget creative control. Try shooting in shutter priority mode S to capture motion. A fast shutter speed freezes action, while a slow shutter speed can create beautiful motion blur effects, like silky smooth water. With these foundational settings and creative approaches, you'll be capturing professional quality images with your Nikon Z30 in no time. Happy shooting!